I'm going to be giving you an honest review of this Wondercide flea treatment for dogs. These little tubes are made for dogs up to 35 pounds, and it is made out of a plant-based formula, so it is extra safe for dogs. I am so cautious with the type of flea treatments that I do put on my dogs, as I've just heard horror stories about other flea treatments and having bad reactions and whatnot. So I always make sure to do my research on the ingredients that are used and, you know, the different formulas, and look at reviews and whatnot. This is a really solid flea treatment. It will last up to 1 month. So this is 3 months worth of flea treatments. And yeah, I'm so excited about it. I think that it's really good, you know, overall quality due to the formula and ingredients and whatnot. And it's a great brand. I've looked at the rest of their products as well, and they do have a lot of options for dealing with this. So if you're looking for a reputable brand that offers flea treatments, this is definitely a good one. I would highly recommend.